So today we're going to be unboxing a Hydor Tank Heater. As it gets colder outside, the temperature of your nutrient solution can end up dropping to levels that will cause issues, stunting growth rates if you're not careful. The Hydor heater is designed to combat these conditions by automatically heating nutrients when required. Its plug-and-play design makes it a doddle to set up. All you need to do is add the suction feet to the heater, stick it down, plug it in and you're good to go. Just don't forget to set the thermostat using the dial at the end. If we set it to 20 degrees Celsius, the heater is going to switch itself on whenever nutrient temperatures drop below that level. 20 degrees is about right for all-round root health. Once you get much higher than this, oxygen starts to dissipate and you open the door up to anaerobic pathogens like Pythium. Hydor heaters are useful in a wide array of situations, from aeroponic propagators to 1,000-litre tanks. They're available in a range of wattages at 50 watts, 100 watts, 150 watts, 200 watts and 300 watts. If you're wondering which one is for you, then the wattage corresponds to the maximum capacity that the unit can handle in litres. To learn more about Hydor tank heaters, give us a call or come and see us in store.